dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel DVJT. This is class 9 ICSE mathematics. We are learning factorization, 5th chapter, exercise 5D. Today's session we are going to learn question number 12, 14 and 17. Before going to start this session, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share with your friend. For new updates, please press bell icon. If you want to see others video, please press I button and go through the playlist. Now let me start today's sessions. Question asked to factorize according to this exercise. This is the applications of cubic formula. Either applications of a cube minus b cube or a cube plus b cube formula. But this question number 12. There are three terms. Three terms means according to the polynomial there are trinomial. Okay, and we learned the trinomial factorization in the previous exercise. If you miss that video, please go through that video. It is there in your playlist. Because the trinomial factorization is very important for higher classes, and it is the right time to make our best. Now let's use the trinomial, because the direct application of formula is not there. Let's use the trinomial factorization concept to factorize it. After using trinomial, if it is come into the formula form, then we'll use the formula to factorize it. Okay, let's see the trinomial concept. A cube minus 7a e to the power 6 minus 7 a cube minus 8. Now according to the trinomial, the coefficient of higher power of variable, okay, coefficient means the number attached with the variable is called coefficient. The coefficient of higher power of variable multiply constant term, okay, according to the rule of trinomial factorizations. Let's get their product, and their product is how much? 8. After getting the product, get the factors of product. Now factors of products is 2, 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now factors of products are 2, 2, 2, 1. Out of these factors, we will make the two numbers, and whose different or sum must be middle one. Okay, coefficient of middle variable. Now middle coefficient of middle variable is 7. And let's make the two number out of these factors. Okay, we have to utilize all the factors. Let's two numbers, and their different or sum must be this coefficient of middle term, that is 7. Now let's take these three factors together. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then this one single. Now 8 and 1 is there. And 8 minus 1 is how much? 7. That is because the middle term splitting. Now this middle term split has 8 minus 7. Now this is the rule of trinomial factorization. This is the basic concept of trinomial factorizations. Now we are going to replace this 7 by its factors. 8 minus 1. A to the power 6 minus, in place of 7, this 7 is split as 8 minus 1 a cube minus 8. Now open this bracket by multiplying with this minus sign as well as a cube. And please, minus sign is very dangerous. Please take care. And my sign is always in front of the number, not behind it. Okay. This minus sign is for 1, not for 8. That's why the sign of this 8 is plus, because sign is always in front of the number. And e to the power 6 minus plus minus 8 multiply a cube, 8 a cube, minus minus plus 1 multiply a cube over there. You can write 1 a cube and minus 8. Okay. Now after splitting middle term as 2, let's make the group of 2 and take the common. If possible, take the common. Now e to the power 6 is there, and e to the power 3 is there. Then while we taking the common, we will take the least power as common, not highest power as common. That means a cube will take the common from here. There is no number common because number is not there. That's why we are going to take the a cube common from here. Let's take the a cube common. Then out of a to the power 6, we are taking a cube term common. Then how many a is left here? A cube is left because 3 plus 3 is 6. When taking and multiplying the variable, their power get either sum or subtraction. Okay. Now out of this a to the power 6, we are taking a cube x common. Again 3 a cube is left. Then we are taking this a cube as common. Then what is left from here? 8. Then in these two numbers there is no common. If there is no common, we can take 1 as a common. Now we are taking the 1 as common from here. 1 as common, that means a cube minus 8 after taking. Now see the term within the bracket are same or not. Okay, if this is the term within the bracket are same, that means our meter term splitting is correct. That means the term within the bracket are same, that means our meter term splitting is correct. Now take this same term as common. Okay, now we are taking this same term as common. A cube minus 8 we are taking as common. Now what is left from here? A cube. Then what is left from here? 1. Now once again check it. If it is possible to convert into formula, then convert into form. Okay, possible, then convert into formula, then use the formula to factorize it. Let's try. 8 is the cube of 2. Then 1 is the cube of 1. That means we can convert into formula. Let me write here a cube, and 8 is the cube of 2 cube. Then a cube. Then 1 is the cube of 1. Okay. Now look at here. Now question is converted into formula form. Now let's use formula to factorize it. Let me write the formula first here. A cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube equals to a minus b. Then a square, a minus b multiply a square plus ab plus b square. Now we'll use this a cube minus b cube formula to factorize these first factors, first expressions. Okay, first term. Then second, there is plus is there. Okay, we have to use plus formula to factorize it. Now let me write the plus formula also. A cube plus b cube formula. A cube plus b cube is a plus b. Then a square minus ab plus b square. Now we use these two formula to factorize these questions. These expressions, because it's converted into formula form. These questions after doing the trinomial factorizations, now questions come into formula form. Now we use the formula to factorize it. If you have some problem regarding this trinomial factorization, please go through the trinomial exercise. I think this is B exercise 5C. Okay, if you miss that video, please go through that video. That video is very important for higher classes. Now a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube formula is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square is there. Replace a by a itself, then b by 2. Okay, in this formula we are going to replace a by a itself and b by 2. Now a minus b, a minus 2 multiply next bracket a square plus a into b, a into 2, b means 2 is there, plus b square means 2 square. Okay, now in this case we are using the plus formula to factorize it. Replace a by a itself in the formula and b by 1. According to formula, a plus b is there, that means a plus 1. And next bracket a square means a square, and minus a into b means a into 1, and plus b square means 1 square. Now once again, a minus 2, a square plus 2a plus 4, then a plus 1, a square minus a plus 1. This way our factorization is complete. First, the question is trinomial. There are 3 terms. We use the trinomial concept to factorize. After factorizing, the question is converted into formula form. Then from here, we are using formula to factorize it. After using formula, we will factorize factorization is complete. Okay, this way we have to factorize. And trinomial factorization is very important. Please go through that videos. Okay, now let me do second questions. Second question. If direct possible to convert into formula form, we'll convert the formula, then we'll use the formula to factorize. Let's check the questions. First, take your time and see the question, what type of question is there. Let me copy the question first. A cube minus b cube minus 4ax plus 2bx. Now 8 is a cube of 2. That means we can convert this 8 as a cube of 2. I think this is 2 cube a cube minus b cube. In these two terms, is there any common factor to take? If there is common factor, we can take that common out of group. 4 is the multiple of 2 and 2 is also multiple of 2. We can take that 2 as common. Then there is a, there is no a, that means we can't take the a, we can take the b. X we can take because in the both the top x is there. That means we are going to take the common 2x. And while you're taking the minus common, remember minus sign is very dangerous. Then don't forget to multiply with this minus sign. Okay. Now after taking 2x common and minus minus plus 2, how much is 4? 2 2s are 4, and we are taking this x as common. What is left from here? A. Then minus plus minus, minus plus minus, because sign is very important. Take care of this minus sign. Then we are taking 2x common and x as a common. What is left? B. Okay. Now for the power is same. A cube, a2 cube, a cube is there. We can take them common power. That means 2a whole cube minus b cube minus 2x and 2a minus b cube. Now a cube minus b cube formula. Let's use a cube minus b cube formula to factorize it. A cube minus b cube formula. A cube minus b cube formula. A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. In place of a, replaced by 2a, and b replaced by b itself. First, what is there? A cube minus b cube equals to a minus b. That means 2a minus b. Then a square means 2a square. Then plus ab means 2a into b is b. Then plus b square means b square. And minus, this term is there, x 2a minus b. Now simplify this terms first. This expression 2a minus b multiply 2 to the 4a square minus plus 2a multiply b 2ab, then plus b square minus 2x 2a minus b. Now look at here. Check the whole term. Is there any common factor to take? Is there any term is common to take out of group? Yes, 2a minus b, 2a minus b. Now take the same factor out of the group, that is called common factors. Our common factors from these two groups is 2a minus b. Now we are taking 2a minus b as a common. Now what is left from here? After taking 2a minus b common, the 4, this term is replaced from this group. Let's copy these left terms. 4a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then what is left from here? After taking this a 2a minus b as common, what is left? Minus 2x. Now factorization is complete. Okay. This way we have to do the factorization. First, see the questions. After looking the questions, make the group of 2, and if there is any possible to convert into formula, use formula to factorize. If there is any common factor, and take common factor from these 2. Then after using the formula, Let's see, there is any common to take out of whole term, then take that common factor out of the groups. Okay. Now last question is there. Question number 17. Question number 17. Okay, let me write here. 1039 minus 3x cubed. Now see the questions first. Now 3 is a cube of cube of any numbers, because there is a 3 is not a cube of any number. That means we need to take 3 as a common out of these terms. That means if we are taking 3 common from here, this must be multiple of 3. Check it whether it is multiple of 3 or not. How to check whether it is multiple of 3 or not? Just add all the digits. If the sum of the digits becomes the multiple of 3, then this whole number is multiple of 3. Let's check it. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 3, 4, 4. Okay, that means I got the questions wrong. Okay, I think there is 2. There must be 2. Then 1 plus 0, 0. So the 1 plus 0 is 1. Then plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. That means sum is 12. 12 is a multiple of 3. That means whole number is multiple of 3. Okay, this number is multiple of 3. And this is 3 is there. That means we are going to take 3 as a common from here. Now let's take the 3 as a common. Now 3 3 is a 9. Then from 10, 3 3 is a 9. What is left? 1. How much is left? 1. 12 is there. 3 4 is a 12. Then 9 is there. 3 3 is a 9. Then we are taking this 3 as a common. Then what is left from here? X cube. Now let's see whether this is a cube of any number or not. 343 is a cube of any number. Yes. What whose cube is this one? 343 is a cube of 7. 7 multiply 7 multiply 7 equals to almost 343. That's why 343 is the cube of 7. Let's convert into cube. Then we'll use a formula to factorize it. 7 cube minus x cube. Now it is converted into formula. What kind of formula is there? A cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. Let's use a cube minus b cube formula to factorize it. A cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. 3 in place of a replaced by 7 and b replaced by x in the formula. That means a minus b is there, 7 minus x. And a square means 7 square, and plus a into b means 7 into x, and plus b square means x square. Okay. After converting into formula, we use formula to factorize. Then 3, then what is here? 7 minus x, and 7 7s are 49 plus 7x plus x square. Factorization is complete. Okay, first see the question. If there is any common, initially you can take the common. If possible to convert into formula, then convert into formula. After converting into formula, use formula to factorize it. Okay, after going through this video, please try to solve all the questions from your textbook. And if you need any kind of help, please come and ask. Okay, we will follow your suggestion. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, stay at home, stay safe.